Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to add the Enye, that special letter with the tilde, into your design in Canva, you've probably noticed it's not as simple as just pressing a key. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to type both the uppercase and lowercase Enye right inside Canva, so your text looks correct and polished. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer and log in. Then click on Create a Design. For this quick demo, I like to use a small custom size, like 100 by 100 pixels, just so the text is easy to see without distractions. Once the blank canvas loads, go to the Text tab on the left and add a heading or text box. You can center it or resize it if you want more room to work. Now here's where the magic happens, typing the uppercase Enye. Click inside the text box, and if you're on Windows, hold the Alt key and type 165 or 0209 using the numeric keypad. When you release Alt, the capital Enye should appear. If you're on a Mac, press Option plus N and then Shift plus N to form the uppercase version. Just keep in mind that keyboard shortcuts only work if your font supports special characters, so fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, or Latin-based typefaces usually work best. To type the lowercase Enye, stay in the same text box or add another one. On Windows, hold Alt and type 164 or 0241 using the numeric keypad. On a Mac, press Option plus N, then press N again. If you see a question mark or a little box instead, that just means the font doesn't support the character. Switching fonts will fix it instantly. Once both characters display correctly, you can style them however you like. Change the size, pick a new font, adjust color, add effects, everything works the same as regular text. This is perfect for names, Spanish words, invitations, branding, or anytime accuracy matters. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to add both uppercase and lowercase Enye in Canva easily. If this helped you out, tap the like button, and if you run into issues with fonts or shortcuts, drop your question in the comments and I'll help you troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing!